Welcome. In this video, we will define the 6 principles of Expanded Worldwide Planning, or EWP for short. We will also answer the third of our important questions. Will I be audited? Let's begin. This is a very private setting, but today intruders find many ways to invade our privacy. Our clients are looking for ways to keep their affairs private and still be compliant with tax authorities worldwide. But as you know, it is a cat and mouse game that takes study and constant attention to detail. But in this case, we don't quite know who is winning. You don't want this to happen to your hard-earned assets. Asset protection is an integral part of an EWP structure. EWP structures make assets inaccessible to creditors and those seeking to claim them without legal authority. The inaccessibility of this lighthouse mirrors the methods that EWP structures use to make your assets inaccessible to creditors. A tax shield is an important EWP principle. Why pay more tax than is necessary? You can legally pay far less tax by placing your assets into an EWP structure. An EWP tax shield is very difficult to penetrate, like the shells of these tortoises. Especially in jurisdictions that have forced heirship rules, succession planning is vital to clients. Most clients wish to distribute their assets according to their own wishes and not according to a plan that they don't agree with that is dictated by a government agency. EWP succession plans are plans that promote family harmony, like the 2 generations depicted here. The simplicity of this image reveals our straightforward approach to compliance. In today's world, attempting to hide assets only draws more attention to them. EWP structures are compliant with the world's tax authorities and at the same time achieve maximum privacy. We give you a clear path through this maze of confusing regulations. In some jurisdictions, in particular those that use civil law as opposed to common law, a trust substitute is essential. Why create an entity that in the end will just be ignored by tax and legal authorities? Like the 2 blue eyes of this cat, EWP structures work in both civil and common law jurisdictions. Will I be audited? The answer is most probably no. To explain further, we will use an analogy of cars traveling down a motorway or freeway. On the audit question, audits can be triggered randomly or for a variety of reasons. EWP structures are designed to comply with all aspects of tax law worldwide. To begin our motorway analogy, where are EWP structures positioned on this motorway? The fast lane is for those drivers who are the risk takers, traveling at ever faster speeds until the inevitable occurs. In the slow lane are those drivers who wish to travel at a leisurely pace to reach their destination. In the middle lane are those drivers who wish not to be the fastest on the road or the slowest. In the universe of financial planning tools, EWP structures are traveling in the middle lane and do not attract undue notice from tax authorities, and thus are not a likely candidate for an audit. Thank you for joining us. If you found this video useful, please give us a like below and click the subscribe button. In our next video, we will explain why private placement life insurance, or PPLI for short, works so well with EWP asset structures. We look forward to connecting with you on future videos. To learn how the wealthiest families in the world conduct their financial affairs, please call 1-530-692-1007 or email us at info@expandedworldwideplanning.com. At your convenience, we can arrange a call to discuss how our unique blueprint can vastly enhance your asset structure. The opinions expressed in this video are for general informational purposes only and are not intended to provide specific advice or recommendations for any individual on any financial structure, investment, or insurance product.